user sign-up process. The user clicks on the Sign Up button to get started. Next, the user selects the option to continue using a MetaMask wallet. A MetaMask pop-up appears, prompting the user to connect their wallet. The user selects their wallet account and approves the connection. Once connected, the user is asked to sign a message for authentication. The user confirms the signature request in MetaMask. After successful verification, the user account is created. The user is now logged into the platform and ready to proceed. This completes the user sign-up process using MetaMask. After signing up, the user enables trading to register the proxy wallet in the smart contract. The user deposits USDC into their wallet. After a successful deposit, the user's portfolio balance is updated with the deposited amount. The user can also purchase USDC using Transact and deposit it into their wallet address. Once the transaction is completed successfully, the balance is updated in the wallet. The deposit transaction is recorded in the History section. In the Profile section, the user can update their personal details such as username and email address. After making the changes, the updated information is saved successfully and reflected in the user profile. In this market, there are multiple existing orders available in the order book. You can see both bids and asks for no shares listed at different price levels. When a user places a market order, the system automatically matches the order with the best available prices. Now, let's look at the top holders section. In this section, the list of users holding shares in this market is displayed. This gives a clear view of the major participants in the market. Next, we have the position section. Here, the user can view their current holdings, including the number of shares and their current market value. This helps users track their active positions in real time. Now, let's check the activity section. All market activities, including buy and sell transactions, are recorded here. Users can monitor recent trades and overall market movement through this section. This provides complete transparency of trading activity within the market. In the comment section, users can share their opinions and insights about the market. They can post comments and engage with other users in real time. There is already a yes sell order at 71 cents. When the user places a buy order at this price, it matches and the trade is executed. After the trade is executed, the user becomes a holder and is listed in the top holders section. In the portfolio page, all user activities are clearly organized. The history section shows all purchased transactions. Position section displays the user's current holdings and their values. Finally, the portfolio card shows the total portfolio value along with the 24-hour profit or loss. Now, the user places a buy order for 10 yes shares. Initially, there are no matching orders available in the order book. So, the order is placed in the order book and waits for matching trades. As new matching orders enter the market, the order starts getting filled gradually. In the open orders section, the created order for 10 shares is displayed. As the market updates, we can see the order getting partially filled. The remaining shares are fulfilled through minting. This process continues until the entire order is completed. Yes shares are minted along with corresponding no shares. As matching orders enter the market, the order starts getting filled gradually. The minting and matching process continues, showing partial filling progress until the order is completed. The market is waiting for matching yes orders. Once a matching order is received, the trade is executed. The remaining shares are completed through minting, and the order is fully filled. Once the order is fully completed, it is automatically removed from the open orders section. Now, let's switch to another user account to continue the flow and see how sell trades interact between users. Here, the user already holds shares in the market. To exit the position, the user places a sell order for their shares. In the order book, we can see existing buy orders placed by other users. The user sells no shares at 23 cents. It matches with the highest bid in the market, and the trade is executed immediately. Now, let's take a quick look at the market dashboard features. Using the search bar, users can easily find specific markets by entering keywords. The system displays relevant results instantly, making navigation simple and efficient. Markets are also organized into different categories. Each category displays only the markets relevant to that specific topic, helping users browse more efficiently. Users can also bookmark markets for quick access later. Bookmarked markets are saved in the bookmark section for easy reference. At any time, users can remove a market from bookmarks by unselecting it. This helps users manage and track their preferred markets conveniently. Now, let's understand how a market order works. First, consider a market where there are no matching orders available in the order book. In this case, when the user places a market order, the trade will not be executed immediately. Since there are no matching orders, no shares are filled, and the user's balance remains unchanged. Now, let's look at a market where matching orders are available. Here, the order book already contains bids or asks at different price levels. When the user places a market order, the system automatically matches it with the best available prices. The order is executed instantly based on available liquidity in the order book. If sufficient quantity is available, the order is fully filled. If only partial liquidity is available, the order is partially filled, and the remaining quantity is handled accordingly. This ensures that market orders are executed efficiently based on real-time market conditions. Now, let's see how the admin resolves a market and how users claim their rewards. Once the market reaches its end date, the admin first flags the market for resolution review. After verification, the admin proceeds to resolve the market. The admin then selects the correct result, for example, marking the market as yes. After confirming the resolution, the market is officially closed. Now, users who are holding yes shares become eligible for rewards. Each winning share is valued at $1. The user can now see the redeem option available in the interface. By clicking on redeem, the user receives the winning amount based on the number of shares they hold. Once claimed, the amount is added to the user's wallet balance. At the same time, the corresponding shares are burned and removed from the user's position. Finally, the user can withdraw the available USDC balance to their connected wallet. This completes the market resolution and reward distribution process. The final outcome is displayed in the marketplace. In the market's dashboard, users can use the filter option to refine their view. By selecting the resolved filter, users can view all markets that have already been completed and finalized. Them. Once redeemed, the shares are burned, and the user is removed from the top holders list. The user can withdraw their USDC balance by clicking the Withdraw button. The user connects their MetaMask wallet and enters the amount to withdraw. After confirming the transaction, the USDC is transferred to the user's wallet. The Activity section provides a complete view of all market transactions, including buy and sell actions. Users can track real-time trading activity and understand how the market is moving. The leaderboard highlights the top-performing users based on their trading activity and profits. It gives a quick view of the most active and successful participants in the platform. This demo covers the Polymarket workflow, including user trading, order execution, claim, and withdrawal processes.